I am a homeschool kid, and today I will be showing you how to make people crave your story, even if they don't know you yet. 1% VVS System Part 1. Everyone says tell your story, but nobody tells you why some stories spread like wildfire and others vanish in seconds. Here's the truth. People don't crave stories. They crave themselves inside your story. That's the invisible secret behind magnetic storytelling. You're not just telling them what happened to you, you're showing them who they could become. I'm Paris, and I've seen brilliant entrepreneurs post every day, pour their heart out, share their past, and still stay invisible because they were telling stories for attention, not transformation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft a story so powerful that people feel it, share it, and see themselves inside it, even if they've never heard your name before. Don't skip this part. This is where 99% of business owners lose the visibility game. A few years ago, I watched a small-town entrepreneur go from unheard to unforgettable. No big camera, no team, just one video. He didn't start with his product, he started with his pain. He spoke about failing and what it taught him about focus. He showed his scars and turned them into proof. That story reached hundreds of thousands, not because of perfection, but because his story became a mirror for other people's ambition. Here's what you have to understand. Your audience doesn't connect to success. They connect to struggle, plus survival, plus shift. Every magnetic story has those three ingredients. 1. Struggle, the moment they feel your pain. 2. Survival, the moment they see your persistence. 3. Shift, the moment they believe it's possible for them too. That's how you turn spectators into supporters. If you've ever felt like your story didn't matter, this next part will change that forever. The psychology behind story craving. People don't crave information, they crave identity confirmation. Your story has to say, "You're not crazy for wanting more, you're built for it." That line alone keeps them hooked because it speaks to their deepest desire, to be seen. So the next time you share your journey, stop saying, "Here's what happened to me." Start saying, "Here's what this moment taught me about who we really are." The most powerful stories don't sell products, they sell permission. Permission to believe, to act, to rise. That's how you become unforgettable online. When your words give people access to a higher version of themselves. If this is resonating, comment, "I am the story" below, because the moment you own it, people start craving it. Most people think stories are about words. They're not. They're about wounds, because the truth is, people don't crave perfection. They crave permission to be imperfect. And when you show up with the courage to be seen before you're polished, that's when they lean in. You're not a content creator. You're a story architect. Every sentence you write, every clip you post, every line you deliver, it's not content. It's construction. You're building bridges between your experience and their identity. Here's the paradox. The moment you stop trying to impress, you start to impact. Because storytelling isn't about making people like you. It's about making them feel themselves through you. Visibility is never earned through volume. It's earned through vulnerability. When you're real enough to be remembered, you become magnetic without trying. Comment "real over perfect" to anchor that truth. The big reveal. You want to know why some stories go viral while others vanish? It's not luck, it's neurochemistry. The human brain doesn't remember information, it remembers emotion. When your story releases dopamine, plus oxytocin, plus truth, people don't just watch, they bond. That's how people crave your story. They're literally addicted to the emotion you gave them. So here's the rule. If they don't feel, they won't follow. The CRAVE Framework, 1% VVS model. To make people crave your story before they know you, use the CRAVE code. 1C, clarity of mission. Say what you stand for in one clean line. Clarity creates curiosity. 2R, relatability. Show the human, the flaw, the journey. People trust what looks like them. 3. A, authentic emotion. Speak from the scar, not the wound. Emotion transfers faster than logic. 4. V, visual language. Paint pictures with words. Let them see it, not just hear it. E, energetic confidence. Deliver it like you already know it matters. Energy is the magnet of belief. Your audience doesn't crave your past. They crave your perspective. It's not the story that sells, it's the shift it creates in them. So stop waiting for a perfect ending. Tell the story while you're still becoming the ending. If you're done posting for attention and ready to start leading through transformation, hit subscribe. Because this isn't just a channel. It's a movement for builders, leaders, and creators who want to be felt, not just followed. You've told stories before, but now you tell them with strategy. You don't chase reach, you command recognition. From this moment on, don't just share your story. Shape it so the world craves it.